Hey kids, welcome to Once Upon a Page. Get ready for songs, stories, and adventures made just for you. Come on, let's go.
Horse and Buggy, Plant a Seed by Ethan Long. I will plant a seed. Pick one. That one. Good. This will be the best. Yes. No. This one. This will be so good. Yes. No. What is this? This. Pea seeds. Peas? Yum! Peas! We will see. Our seed needs dirt. Our seed needs water. Our seed needs sun. Do. I hate to wait. We had many plants last year. Yes. Look! It is big. It is very big. Yes. It is a squash. Yes, it is. The end.
Yay, that was so much fun, boys and girls. I can't wait for our next story time or adventure. Remember, learning is fun when we do it together. See you soon.